Good morning, everybody. I hope you've had a great week. I've missed seeing you all. But I want to go through a little review of yesterday's lesson and explain what you're going to be doing today because it's a new skill. And I'll review this assignment next week after we're back face to face. So, yesterday, you guys went through, I'm going to kind of click around this a little bit. Yesterday, you guys read one of your first textbook sections and discussed the world's climate regions. So you described dry climates as being climates that receive little rain or snow. They can be hot or cold and have sparse vegetation. Our humid temperate climates are climates that experience a lot of rain or snow and have cool winters and warm summers. Humid equatorial experiences a lot of rain and has pretty much warm or hot temperatures all year round. Our tundra or ice climates are climates that don't experience a lot of snowfall, but typically have frozen land. And then humid cold are our climates that are experience a lot of rain or snow and are relatively cool or cold climates. So that is something that we're going to be discussing a lot in this class in regards with climate. Climate's going to impact how a lot of people live in different areas, and we're going to use that frequently, especially looking at those climate maps. But today's lesson is going to be looking at a different tool that helps us analyze climate. And I'm going to show you an example of one right now. So this is a climograph. And a climograph shows us the average precipitation for an area using bars and the average temperature of an area over the course of a year. Each month, we have a precipitation measurement and a temperature measurement. This is our climograph for Miami here. You can see that we get about a little bit of rain throughout the year. In May, June, July, August, September, we receive a lot more rain, but our temperature pretty much stays consistently high between 70 and 85 degrees. So based on that information, it's relatively warm. We receive ample rainfall. That's going to be a humid equatorial climate. So you're going to be able to use these to analyze different climates from different places. Like I said, this is Miami. This next one you can see receives consistent rainfall throughout the year and a little bit more varied in temperatures. It can be between 35 and 40 degrees in January and December. Then it gets up to about 80 in the summer. So this, we have a humid climate because it receives a decent amount of rain. And it is temperate because we have that fluctuation between cool and warm. Again, I'm going to go over this much more when we're in person, but these are climographs. So your assignment today is going to be creating your own climograph. And I'm going to open this up in a new window. This is going to be a CAMI assignment here. And you're going to be analyzing data about Calcutta, India. And you're going to figure out what kind of climate Calcutta, India has by plotting the points with the climograph using CAMI. So you'll notice that they give you the average temperature. Let's highlight that there. Average temperature for each month. And then let's give a different color for precipitation. We'll do pink. So you're going to plot the average temperature using dots, and you're going to plot the average precipitation using bars. So let's do our temperature first. I'll use yellow. So for example, for January, the average temperature is about 68 degrees. We see our temperature measures over here. So you're going to find about 68 degrees on the right-hand axis. You're going to come across to January, and you're going to plot that point at 68 degrees. The next month, the average temperature is 74 degrees. So you'll find 74, you'll come over for February. March is 82 degrees, so a little bit above 80. So that's how you're going to plot your temperature. And eventually you'll connect all the dots. For precipitation, what I want you to do is go to your shapes tool, insert rectangle, pick your color, and you're going to draw a rectangle that represents the amount of precipitation. In January, they only receive about 3/4 of an inch. So you'll see the precipitation is marked over here. So you'll draw that box there. In February, they receive 1 inch. In March, they've received 1¼ inches, so a little bit more. So as you can see, based on this climograph is starting to take shape. So you're going to plot all your temperature points using dots, and then you're going to connect them. And remember, you're going to find the temperature over here on this left-hand axis. Your precipitation, you're going to find the markers over here on the left. And for each month, you're going to draw a box for how much precipitation they get and a dot for how much, what their temperature is. I'm going to post an example on Canvas of a completed climograph so you know what yours is supposed to look like. After you've done this, you're going to go through and answer these questions. You're going to tell me which varies the least here, their amount of precipitation or the temperature changes. So varies meaning, does it change a lot throughout the year or does it not change a lot? And then based on what you learned about climate zones yesterday, you're going to tell me which climate zone you think Calcutta is located in and tell me why you think that. I hope that this video helped you understand what your assignment's going to be today. If you have any questions, send me a message on Remind and I'll be quick to respond. But good luck. Again, I'm going to post a finished example and you can reach me at any time. Good luck today. Have a good one. And I'll see you guys on Monday face-to-face if you're A day. B day students, you guys are going to be doing an online assignment, okay? And you'll have to check in using the bell work for attendance. Have a great weekend.